So I got an email the other day from a customer. I'll call him Greg because that's his name. Anyway, Greg wanted to know more about our carry bags that we have for our RV mats, which are these. Of course, these bags come standard with any of our mats that are size 8x12, 8x16, or 8x15. But we do sell replacement bags, and my idea was that, I don't know, maybe you lose one, I guess, or whatever. We just have replacement bags on the website. But Greg wanted one because he had bought a mat from another company or something, and he wanted to know if our bags would fit his mat, because what Greg has discovered is what we knew, and that is you need to have a carry bag for your mats if you're going to be transporting them, because when you lay them out, they get dirt and stuff on them, and you can sweep them off, but really, unless you're hosing them down and cleaning them properly, you need a bag so that you can kind of contain all that mess until you do that. So anyway, Greg wanted to know the size dimensions of this. So our bags are custom made for our mats, and the basic thing is that our mats widths are all 8 feet, our big mats. So they're divided into thirds. So here's our bag. I know it doesn't really totally fit in the screen here, but the length of the bag is 33 inches. And what that does is for our mats that are 8 feet long, folded into thirds, that allows them to fit right in there, because 8 feet is 96 inches. Then our height is 15 inches. And the depth of these is 11 inches. So here's the replacement bags, and I'll just show you what it looks like fully extended. So those are our replacement bags here. Again, 33 inches long, which means that whatever mat you have, its width needs to be able to fold into this length. So Greg, I hope that helps you. And remember, if this bag doesn't fit your mats, you're welcome to buy one of our mats. It will come with a bag, and I guarantee you it'll fit.